Kitty Cap here, guys and girls, girls and guys. And just to prove my point of using all your filament, there it is. We used white to begin with. We ran out, replaced the reel. Then we used brown, ran out, replaced the reel. And then we used black. I kind of think it looks kind of pretty cool that way. I was thinking about spray painting it, but I may just keep it this way. So this is in reference to using all your filament. You can use it all. You don't have to splice it together. It can be done in your AMS Pro or just your AMS. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up, and hype the video. Bye for now.